Investors who have made the decision to invest in gold are faced with the question of how to invest. Today, there is a range of investment products available for investing in gold. Investing in physical gold is the original form of gold investing. Physical gold can be bought in the form of gold jewelry, coins, or gold bullion. From an investment standpoint, gold bullion is preferable due to lower costs and higher liquidity than other forms of physical gold. Gold bullion is also available in two basic forms: gold bullion bars and gold bullion coins, which can be legal tender in specific countries. The costs for smaller bars and coins are comparatively high. It's generally the case that the smaller a bar or coin is, the higher the costs are for refining and minting charged by the distributors. If gold bullion is stored privately, security concerns must be considered. Very safe private storage is expensive. Privately stored gold has the additional disadvantages of low liquidity. Investors who decide to sell gold bullion must arrange the sale at a fair price and may need to verify the purity of the gold. Vaulted gold, like physical gold stored in a professional vault, does have the disadvantages of privately stored gold. Vaulted gold is usually cost efficient and provides a high liquidity. Gold-backed securities are indirect investments in gold. Gold ETF and gold investment funds, both open-ended or closed, are securities that are backed by physical gold. A security is a financial instrument that represents a value. In case of gold-backed securities, the value of an underlying amount of gold. In the legal sense, an owner of a gold-backed security does not directly own underlying gold, but only the security, which in turn certifies the right to the gold. While gold ETFs are funds, gold ETCs are only gold-backed bonds. That means the holder of a gold ETC only has a claim against the issuer of the gold ETC, and does not indirectly own physical gold through a fund, as with an ETF. Most gold ETCs are fully backed with gold, but still pose a potential counterparty risk to investors. In most cases, owners of gold-backed securities cannot request physical delivery of the gold. Costs of gold-backed securities vary by product. Generally speaking, gold ETFs and gold ETCs are often cheaper than gold investment funds and mutual funds. Gold mining stocks and gold mining funds are other forms of securities which allow investors some exposure to gold. Gold mining stocks and shares are not investments in gold, but in gold mining companies. In effect, the gold price is just one factor that influences the price of gold mining stocks. Company-specific factors such as management and company-owned gold reserves also play an important role. Investments in a single gold mining stock are risky. An investment fund that invests in multiple gold mining stocks reduces risk for the investor. But as stated, gold mining stocks are not really investments in gold. Gold mining companies can go out of business and the stocks can lose all value. In contrast, physical gold can drop in value but will never become completely worthless or disappear. Besides gold-backed securities like gold ETF and some gold ETCs, there are also securities whose value is derived from the gold price, but which are not backed by physical gold. Examples of those securities are structured products and options. Structured products are based on derivatives. Structured products and options can pose significant risks to investors and are therefore generally not considered a suitable form of gold investment for retail investors. Structured products are basically obligations, thus investors in such products bear the risk that the issuer defaults on them. Gold accounts, gold certificates, and gold trusts are additional forms of gold investment. The characteristics of those products vary widely on the direct gold ownership, to claims on gold or the price performance of gold with no real gold ownership. To find out which of these investment types is the most recommended and to learn more about gold investing, visit luxurygoldinvestments.com.